Hello, everybody. My name is Sheridan Brown, and it's my first time on YouTube. I'm so excited to be here for you people just to subscribe and thumbs up for me. Yes, it is a honor. See, like I'm proud of myself, I want you, everybody out there, to proud of me. Yes, and I'm a talented person. I do dub poetry, I write folk song, I write gospel song. I'm a actress and I write plays as well. Yes, 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 yes. I did not go to school for any of this. This was given to me by the Almighty God, which I thank every day. You know, now is the chance, now is the time, got the opportunity, and I'm just going to let it blow, let it blow all over the world. Yes, and I'm proud of myself because I help students. They come to me and they say they want a play for the essay and all of that. Yes, I made that happen for them and them get 9 out of 10, 9, 10 out of 10. I mean, I'm so proud of me. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. And the biggest thing that happened into my life is entering JC, JCDC. Yes, I've entered JCDC and wow, it is good. It is good. It is good. For my first entry, I've got a bronze. Yes, I got a bronze, which I'm very proud of myself. And the second time I've entered a big stage competition. Yes, I've entered a big stage competition and I came second. And for my second trophy, this is the big stage, second trophy in my parish, St. Mary. Yes, in St. Mary I've entered. Yes, and actually go and represent for my parish again. The same competition. Yes, the same competition. I've entered and get this. This one was very hard to get. Task, a good task, and I've completed that task because they said if I enter this, because I was the only one there of doing the poetry. So I have to get, I think, what, 30 or 60. But I did get it. I did get it, and I am so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. So, yay to me. Yeah. So that's why I'm just doing my thing. No old bags, no talk back, no more crying and all of that. I'm just here to complete. I always want to be on YouTube, but I always find some fault. I'm not no time. I'm tired and all of that. But just hook up the internet and we just have to just go for it. I just have to just go for it. I not get my internet for nothing at all because I'm money I have to pay for it. So I'm just have to do my thing. Come and know some good, good. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So I just want you just to subscribe when you see my thing come out. I'm gonna do it every Sunday evening. If I don't get every Sunday evening, I will do it Monday evening. But Sunday, yes, Sunday. That's the only time that I got. That's the only time. So look out for my performance. Look out for it, and I know that you're gonna enjoy it as much as everybody always enjoys. Everybody always enjoy me, and me accept the audience. I appreciate it. So just do the thing, subscribe, thumbs up, click that button, subscribe, thumbs up for me. Thank you. Bye.